Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. Today in this video, we are going to see the exact method to create a contact form or add a contact form in a WordPress website. And stay tuned until the last moment to create a contact form and add the form in your contact us page successfully. So now let's jump into it. So the first step, I'm going to proceed to my website, and this is my website. As you guys can see, this is a new website. So now I'm going to proceed to my website's dashboard, for the WordPress dashboard. So now I'm going to click enter admin, and as you guys can see, this is my WordPress dashboard. And so now I'm going to click on the pages, and I'm going to click on add new. And I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to enter the title of my page as contact us, and I'm going to click on visibility to private, and I'm going to okay. And so as you guys can see, my page is updating. I have clicked update, so I can view this privately. So this is private, and as you guys can see, this website is private. So this page is private. So now I'm going to proceed to the WordPress dashboard again, and now I'm going to click on plugins, and I'm going to click add, and I'm going to search for plugin named contact form 7. And contact form 7 is a great plugin, and it has lots of contact forms, and we can create lots of contact forms or different kinds of forms using this plugin. So now I'm going to install it, and it's installing. So it is successfully installed. So now I'm going to click on activate. So now as you guys can see, I have successfully installed contact form 7. So now I'm going to deactivate the WP forms lite, which is activated through my theme. So now I'm going to proceed to contact section here, and I'm going to click on contact forms, and I'm going to close this, and it shows me that contact form 1 and its short code and the author and the date. So now I'm going to click on contact form 1, and this shows me my name or my label and what to enter and what are the structure of the contact form, submit, and the message and the subject. So simply we can remove anything by selecting like this, and by selecting and by clicking delete or backspace. So now I'm going to keep it as it is, and now I'm going to click on save. And how to add new forms, by simply going to add new, and you can add new section of form and you can create forms. So now I'm going to proceed with the existing form, which is a better one. So now I'm going to copy this short code. I'm going to right click and copy, and I'm going to proceed to my pages section and all pages, and here I have my contact us page, which is private. So now I'm going to go to it, and I'm going to click on this block or add block icon, and I'm going to search for shortcode. And here the shortcode is appearing. So now I'm going to click this and I'm going to paste the shortcode which I copied already. So now I'm going to paste it, and as you guys can see, I have pasted my shortcode and it shows me contact form 7 ID 1 title equals contact form 1. So now I'm going to click on the page and I'm going to make this as public and I'm going to click on update. So now I have updated and my page is live on the internet. So now I'm going to click on view page, and as you guys can see, my contact form is, I have created it successfully, and we can customize this by clicking on customize, and we can change the color of this contact form and many more, and we can remove these sections here also. So now I'm gonna add the reCAPTCHA button over here in order to ensure the security or to provide the CAPTCHA protection. So now I'm gonna proceed to my dashboard again, and I'm gonna click on plugins and I'm gonna click on add new, and I'm gonna search for CAPTCHA version 2. And I'm going to select the most suitable CAPTCHA version or the plugin from here. So now I'm going to again proceed to my search, and I'm going to search for CAPTCHA v2 version 2 for contact form 7. So it's loading, and not yet. So now I'm going to search for reCAPTCHA, and this is the plugin. So now I'm going to click on install now. So I can click on activate in order to activate. So this plugin is activated successfully. So now I'm going to proceed to my contact section, and I'm going to click on reCAPTCHA version, and here it will show me to select my reCAPTCHA version. So now I'm going to select reCAPTCHA 2, and now I'm going to click on submit, and my reCAPTCHA settings have been updated. So now I'll proceed to my contact form, and I'm going to click on contact forms, and I can simply add this label over here, form tag generator. First you need to install an API. Yes, we need to install an API or the integration. First we should set up the reCAPTCHA before installing it. So how to set up? Simply by proceeding to the contact form and click on integration, and go down and click on setup integration, and here I need to enter my side key and secret key. From where to get? Simply go to the Google and search for reCAPTCHA, and search for reCAPTCHA v2, and here it will show me the reCAPTCHA Google. So you can simply click this, and you can create a new you can add your domain name, and you can select reCAPTCHA 2, and you can select the type. So I am not the robot is the best option, and we can enter the domain again, and we can enter the email address, and we can click accept, and we can click on submit and get our side key and secret key. Soon after we enter this, we can again proceed to the contact forms, and we can click on this contact form 1, and we can click reCAPTCHA, and we can add this, And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next